Be back here with another epic video. So today I'm going to be playing my fan-made Five Nights at Freddy's game called 5 Nights at Scratch Cats in Scratch. So it took me over like a month to make this, not that long. You can play it by going onto my account, SoccermantheFirst, or by using the link in the description. So let's just jump right into it. I'm only going to be playing night 1 for this video. Alright, let's go. Alright, so nothing much happens the first night. Let's just wait. Can you guys believe it's been a year since the World Cup final? Crazy. Like, it went by so fast, it feels like it was just yesterday when Messi stole the World Cup from Mbappe. Yes, I know, I sound toxic and salty. I am still kind of salty about it, but it's okay. I think Real Madrid are going to win the Champions League. How about you? I still can't find a way to record sound for some reason. I can record me talking, or I can record just the thing, but for some reason it doesn't record sound, which doesn't make sense. So maybe next video there'll be some sound. Until then, there's really not that much sound. No sound. Like, I'm clicking his nose, and you guys probably can't hear anything. You just have to find out yourself what clicking his nose does, I guess. I have a stuffy nose. I need a tissue. Give me a tissue. Give me a tissue. Oh man. Okay. It's 1 a.m. Woohoo! Celebrate. Glass breaking. Running. Running again. Glass breaking. Horse. They love the glass breaking. Thirsty. At 2 a.m. so I can actually do something. I know there's a black line here. Don't worry about it. I know there's not a black line over here. What just happened? That was a glitch. Don't worry, it's fine. Alright, it's about to hit 2 a.m. soon. And then I'm just going to use that strategy, you know, the closing left door strategy. Yeah. Okay, it's 2 a.m. Let's check the cameras. No one's moved yet. Yeah, no one's moved yet. Alright. And let's close the door. Alright. It's just gonna be like this for the rest of the night, so yeah. What is your favorite sport, if you even watch sports? Mine is football, soccer. Oh yeah. Hold up. The game's not really done yet. I still need to add it so that I can turn this light on. Wait, so I'm gonna have to make a completely different sprite probably. Okay. Yeah, I didn't expect that. Okay. So it's not fully done yet because I realized if I turn this light on, because I realized I can't turn the light on because the door is closed. This was before I added the windows. So now, even though I have the windows, I still can't turn the light on. I have to fix that. I have to figure out a way to fix that. Whistle baby, let me know. You just got Josh Hutcherson. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. Hey, at least I'm not rickrolling you, right? I know I had a chance to rickroll you, but I didn't. Should be happy about that. How's your guys' day? I'm probably gonna have no meme video today. Probably. Might not though. I might all of a sudden get this massive assignment that I have to do for school. Who knows? You guys should go subscribe to Not Trash and J Renzo 10 Gaming. They are my very good friends. Hey, there's my cat. I don't have a cat actually, that was just me making my noise. I'm not a furry, I'm not a furry. I'm not a furry. Okay? I'm not a furry. Don't call me a furry. I'm furry phobic, I'm homophobic, I'm transphobic, and I probably just got canceled. I don't care. Celebrate. I don't know if I should be celebrating if I get jump scared. Ominous foreshadowing. Haha. I'm currently making 5 Nights at Scratch Cats 2. I've just gone far enough to make the AI, but I haven't really gotten to anything else, only the AI. I still haven't made the cameras or I've made almost every AI except the puppets. Puppet, I have not made the AI for. Wow, I'm just gonna barely squeeze through this night. It's still 4. I feel like it's been 4 for a long time. Okay, it's 5 now. Okay, so I basically beat the night. I'm not gonna flip my cameras because Doggy might be in my office and she might jump scare me. Yes, I'm gonna introduce you to the animatronics. We have Scratch Cat, we have Jamal, we have Outfielder, and we have Doggy. Now, next night, I'm just gonna record a little bit of footage of night 2 just to show you each of the animatronics. We're running really low on power here. We'll probably make it though. Let's see. 1% power every 10 seconds. So that's 2 every 10 seconds, and each hour is 89 seconds. So that'll probably be 9 times. Oh, 18% an hour if you have one door closed. Yeah, I'm making it. It's gonna be close though. Okay, I made it. Woohoo! Alright, night 2. I need to introduce you to all the animatronics. Or characters, because they're not really... Some of them are people. So we have Scratch Cat. We have Scratch Cat here. We have Outfielder here. And then here we have Doggy, while Outfielder's already moved. I'm gonna go off the Here is where Jamal is. I'm gonna go off the cameras for like 10 seconds just to show you. Let's see, has he moved? Not yet. You guys are gonna have to find Jamal for yourselves. I can't record this much, so see you in the next video. Goodbye.